फ्रेंड्स आपण मानकर अति प्रिय चैनल माय स्मार्ट क्लास को स्वागत। आसतु आज आम हाईकोर्ट रिलेटेड किसी जीके आलोचना करवा। हाईकोर्ट रिलेटेड किसी जीके देखो। फर्स्ट, इन व्हिच ईयर द गैंगटॉक हाईकोर्ट वाज एस्टैब्लिश्ड? ऑप्शन ए 1971, ऑप्शन बी 1973, ऑप्शन 3 1975, ऑप्शन डी 1977। यार उत्तर होजी बी 1973। ठीक से परी। नंबर 2, द गैंगटॉक हाई कोर्ट फंक्शंस फॉर व्हिच एरिया? मणिपुर, सिक्किम, मेघालय, उत्तरांचल। उत्तर हेबो सी सिक्किम। ठीक से परी। In which year the High Court of Chhattisgarh, Uttaranchal and Jharkhand were established? Answer A 1998, 2000, 1999, 2001. Option C, answer 2000. Which is the seat of Chhattisgarh High Court? Raipur, Raigarh, Champa, Bilaspur. Option D, Bilaspur. Nainital is the seat for which High Court? UP, Mizoram, West Bengal, Uttaranchal. उत्तर हेबो D, Uttaranchal. In which place the Jharkhand High Court has been established? Ranchi, Gaya, Chabra, Hatia. उत्तर हेबो Ranchi. Option A, Ranchi. Which High Court has highest number of judges? Kolkata, Allahabad, Bangalore, Jaipur. Option C, Allahabad. How many judges were there in Allahabad High Court? 42, 46, 44, 48. Option D, 48. Who appoints the judges of High Court? President, Prime Minister, Vice President, Chief Justice of Supreme Court. Answer A, President. For how many years the ad hoc judges of High Court are appointed? 1, 3, 2, 4. Option B, 2. What is the monthly salary of a Chief Justice of a High Court per month? 70,000, 90,000, 80,000, 1 lakh. Option D, 1 lakh. What is the monthly salary of other judges of High Court? 60,000, 80,000, 70,000, 90,000. Option D, 90,000. Name of the highest judicial court of state? District Court, Supreme Court, Court of STJM, High Court. Answer D, High Court. What is the number of judges of Odisha High Court at present? 18, 20, 19, 22. Answer D, 22. While appointing the Chief Justice of a High Court, who is consulted by the President, Prime Minister, Chief Justice of Supreme Court and Governor, Home Minister, Law Minister? Answer B, Chief Justice of Supreme Court and Governor. While appointing the other judges of a High Court, who is consulted by the President, Chief Justice of concerned High Court, Governor and Chief Minister, Prime Minister, Chief Justice and Supreme Court? None of these. Answer A, Chief Justice of concerned High Court, Governor and Chief Minister. Which of the following is not required qualification for High Court judges? Must be a citizen of India, must have judicial office at least 10 years, must have been an advocate of a High Court for 10 years, all of these. Answer D, all of these. What is the tenure of a High Court judge? 60 years, 62 years, 61 years, 63 years. Answer C, 62 years. To whom the resignation letter of a High Court judge is addressed to? President, Prime Minister, Chief Justice of High Court, Chief Justice of Supreme Court. Answer A, President. Answer A, President. On which ground a judge of a High Court can be removed by the President? Misbehavior, incapacity, Treason for proved misbehavior or incapacity. Answer D. Proved misbehavior or incapacity. D. Proved misbehavior or incapacity.